Okay. First day in Spain, a full day. This morning I went on a tour and I was kind of awkward, but I feel like I really just had to practice Spanish a little bit. So I went to this Chinese coffee shop and got a matcha tea. It's really good. A big difference I noticed is that Spain seems a lot more relaxed. Not relaxed, organized is the better word. And I like the tour guide. He said something that it's like, it's very conservative with its tax laws, but at the same time, Spain is like very gay, like it's free sexually. And I noticed that when I was in Colombia because I'm really used to, I was at the gay bar, they're like, I don't know, the guy I was with in Colombia, I thought he would be kind of like homophobic just because I'm used to kind of seeing that a little bit. But he's like, no, we don't give a fuck about that at all. So very much people just holding hands in the streets and kisses and green hair. So it's kind of cool. People also dress a lot better over here. And it's not like they're, there's some people that, it's not that it's crazy, like they're so stylish, but it's just like they have their outfit put together. You don't see too many people just put on a pair of Nike sweats and then just a hoodie and walk out. You do, but it's not like that's not the norm. People have better suits. School is private over here, so there's a lot more people that are wearing, just school uniforms. But there is always somewhere to go out to eat, and it's very artistic. Like, this is super dope. I don't know. Like, I don't know if the camera caught that, but it's awesome. Very artistic, and it's just everywhere.
Like, check out this place. It's very colorful and vibrant. And, it's just a little bit of an eccentric. And this old man's drip. We're talking about outfits. Look at him. Homie over here got the galaxy sweater with the blonde hair.
All right, so I walked into a barber shop, but they don't use a straight blade, so I can't mess with them. But I'll show like a video of this guy's drip that he had. Which people like, it's just like a different, more vibrant thing. And I don't know. I've been told that people don't like to stick out. But I don't know, everything is so vibrant, it's like hard to stick out. Kind of reminds me of like Asian culture. They said that you don't want to stick out or something in that degree. So there's not too many eccentrics. Like they wouldn't do stand-up comedy over here because the shame in Spanish culture is very strong and they don't like that feeling. Yeah, all right, I'm gonna go home. Not home, but I'm doing painting and wine. See how that goes. Back at the Airbnb. On one random note, this is the only Spanish country I've been to where people just don't assume I'm a foreigner, maybe because of my nose, but they're like, because I'm speaking Spanish and they're like, what? I'm like, I don't know, I'd verify something like, this is what you call this. Like, oh, what do you mean? I'm like, oh, I'm just practicing because I don't know. They're like, oh, really? So I'm like, I think it's really cool that I blend in, maybe because there's so much like Muslim, Middle Eastern stuff ingrained into Spain where my nose just becomes more normal. Maybe. Nice.
On my way, I just saw some girls doing, I think this is K-pop dancing. Saw this in Mexico too. K-pop is growing in the Spanish culture, I guess.
I found a bakery, quite delicious. They got these rolls outside, and I'm gonna snag them. All right, I finished the cinnamon roll. Pretty good. It's done. Took like 3 minutes walking, because I didn't want to wait, because I'm gonna go get her. But I probably name it like a 7 out of 10. High expectations, but maybe I should have gone with caramel. That's a bit more sweet. Oreo's like a dark sweet. It's just built different. It's not like blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Oreo's is different.
Go.
We just got done painting and sipping. I don't know what this place is called, but it was really fun. And we're just gonna go around and see some people's paintings. This was mine. I really don't enjoy like painting wine bottles, but we're gonna go through a few before they leave. Let's go. Okay. Hola. 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 ¿Cómo te llamas?
Joel.
Joel, ¿tú tienes un Instagram?
What?
Okay. All right. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. What is that? Okay, keep it up. Good job.
Believe.
Belief?
Believe.
What do you call this painting?
The essence of rum.
Essence of rum.
Of Jamaican rum.
Jamaican rum.
Jamaican rum.
Hennessy.
Appleton Estate.
I love it.
Appleton Estate rum. What are you talking about?
Okay. You want it to be in this?
Hello,
Okay.
vlog.
Yeah.
Hello, vlog. Welcome to my lid.
All right, that wraps up the painting portion. And what's your name one more time?
Esther Gill.
Esther Gale is going to give us a Jamaican outro. Let's go.
Whoa. I didn't sign up for a Jamaican outro.
That was a Jamaican outro. Have a great day.